Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Agenda of the today's session is to deal with the ANSA 25 Retopology tab, so which is introduced newly, and in that we'll see all the features like the polish, remove artifacts, and the Opti-mesh, sculpting, polish tools, and all. Okay, well, let's get started with this and explore these all the tools. Yep. So here we'll go to the retopology tools in ANSA 25. So what and all new we have it. So if you go to mesh, here we have the retopology tab. So in this we have all the tools. So these are the direct editing tools which will be available for all the tabs. And then these are few advanced tools. This is Opti-mesh. So here what it does is, if we have the topology results, this will help you to improve that topology result mesh and the scanned models. So if you use this tool and on the topology results, so it will try to give you the proper mesh. So we can try that. And then we have the polish, we have the remove artifacts, and then we have the sculpting tool, we have the modified reps. So I think this is new in ANSA 25. We have the checks for the reps, we have the solid thickness check, nodal thickness checks, we have the rib creation, that is sub D we call it here, and then we have the build and fit on reference tools. Okay, so I'll be taking you through few of these tools. So let us start with the remove artifact. So what this tool does, so let us use this. So let me try. So let's say I would like to remove a certain region. So I can select these MAC areas, and if I simply click, so that feature will be removed. So this is one way of using this tool. Similarly here, I don't want this bump, so I would like to delete this. I can simply remove this in one click. You can see. Likewise, you can completely remove the section. And then let us see some complicated regions. So yep, let's see this region. So let's say I don't want this cylinder is extended. Here it is extending. This is quite difficult to manufacture. I would like to remove this and this, and you could see it has created a flat surface. I would like to again join these three. Let us see. Yeah, so this is quite fine, right? And then so you could see it is not that good. So in this case, the best tool is this one, that is sculpting tool. Okay, so here we have the smooth option, add material option, and the freeze areas, and we have the two types of brush. One is the flat brush, one is the spherical brush. So here I would like to bring that one to the flat surface. I would like to use this tool. Let us see how it is going to help us. So you could see it is making this flat. So I'm trying to bring it front. So this is fine, correct? And then, so if you would like to maintain a curvature at this region, that also it will do. So this time I'll switch to this brush. You could see it will try to maintain the curve here. So yeah, you could see like this. So this is one of the advanced tools we use it. Okay, like this. So very important. So this tool will help you to fix deviations also. Let's say this region is not that smooth. You can just sculpt it here like this, and you can reconstruct later once you do that. Yeah, so I hope you got this. The one more important thing is this one, add material. Let's say I would like to create a small rib here at this region. So you can reduce the intensity of it. You can simply drag it like this. So once you do that, you can apply the change. Now this is not that good enough, right? So again you can switch to smooth. Let me try with the brush and simply sculpt it, and this looks fine, correct? So this is how this tool might help you people. So this is just an example I'm just showing. Just randomly I had taken the model. Okay, so this is clear, right? The remove artifact is fine. And then this one, the polish tool. So for the shells, I'd like to use it. And then what it does is you have the two options. One is the high, one is normal. So I would like to use the high. So let's say I would like to fix this region. So I'll select the poly area. And here I would like to maintain a kind of flat surface instead of curve. So you can just select this area, and if you want you can remove this perimeter. Then next, could see this is how it does, completely flat, right? Then if you would like to change and see for the normal, so this will create again a kind of curvature. Fine, so let's try here. So before proceeding further, I would like to reconstruct this region. I'll go to improve this region, middle click, I'll remove this perimeters also we can remove. Let us see, middle click, yeah, this is fine. And now let's try this polish tool at this region from here to here to here, correct? And you can remove this one row. Yeah, and let us see if I go ahead with the normal. So this is the bumpy region. I would like to fix that, slightly fixed. But if I go ahead with the high intensity, let us see. Yeah, this is means it is trying to create a flat region instead of the curve. So at this case, I think normal is fine. Yeah, so this is fine. So like this tool will help us to tackle this. Again, I would like to join this perimeters. Simply drag and drop it here, and this is fine. Okay. Yeah, so this is clear. And then we have this tool, that is modify ribs. I'd like to take one more example. Let's see on this model now. Okay, so this modify tool will work on the ribs, but for that you need to recognize them. So what I'll do is I'll go to the features. So in the features, you can edit the feature. You can recognize the 2D ribs. So you can select all the ribs. So at the moment I would like to only deal with these. Let us see how it is going to work. Yep, you can middle click. So these all the ribs has been recognized. Now we have other options too, but let me just take you through what exactly I want to show you guys. So this one, the modify ribs. So again, it won't work. You need to define the top and bottom rib for this. So you can select all these ribs, right click, and you can at design actions, you define the draw direction for these ribs. And here I would like to define 2 points. So like this, the draft angle we had taken 3, and if I click on auto select, software will automatically recognize the bottom edges and the top edges, correct? And then yeah, once you recognize this, let us see now. Sorry, I think modify ribs. Now you could see we have the facility to select the rib and modify it. Let's try now. So there are different options. One is band height, reduction, and the position. So I would like to deal with the first one, that is the height. Yeah, here this region I would like to play around. You could see like this, you can just change the height. Here also, if you remove that parameter, you can see you can easily minimize the height. Same thing here, if you want to maintain a curve, you can do like this. Yeah, and some ribs here I can do the same. I mean, I didn't recognize it. Yeah, here at this region I would like to maintain a curve, so I can drag it, and yeah, so it should be like this. And here also it should be smooth like this. Fine. So like this tool will help you to deal with the heights. And then we have this bend. Let us try somewhere. Okay, let's try this. So I would like to bend this one. You can just simply select this and drag it like this. You can see this is how it is bended now. I would like to move the position of this to here. Then you can even drag it like this. You can only drag one position and you can move it like this. Once you do that, you can middle click. Yeah. And then if you want to again bend it this side, this is how it is going to bend. Right? So again, if you want to change the height, you can do it like this. So this is how this tool will help you. Okay, finally to summarize, we had gone through the ANSA modify ribs, sculpting, polish, remove artifacts, and the features tab.
We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.